I can't believe this. We still haven't got our house over here. We've had rain after rain after rain after rain, and more rain and a little more rain. And then we watch the news and they'd tell us we're gonna have 2 days of sunshine and we'd have 2 more days of rain. And there's no way they can get down there with the mobile homes, the two halves of the mobile home, because they'll sink up to the axles. It's that soft. And now it's snowing in Texas. I mean, it ain't, it's just a flake or two here and there. But if this isn't just the continuous kick in the face, this is getting older. We should have been in our house weeks ago. And of course, I'm still wearing shorts. I ain't putting long pants on till I get frostbite. I'm just digging away, picking up armloads of this and throwing it on the fire. And then I come across this. Will that freak you out or what? Check it out. It's a freaking stick. Oh, I just knew I was fixing to get snake bit. Funny. Yeah, it made my heart skip a beat because I put my hand right on it.